Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide. So today we are going to do a test. We're gonna try to find out if I could manage to get my Apple AirPods work with my S9 Plus with the DJI OSMO Mobile 2. So let's find out. So I'm recording the front-facing camera right now, arm length distance, and this is what the audio sounds like. All right, so I could hear myself when I'm talking. That's pretty much normal. You can't turn it off. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably do a distance test just to see how far this Bluetooth connection can handle. So I'm going to go all the way. I'm going to mount it down here. And I'm going to try to show you guys the distance if I can. I'm going to go all the way back to the opposite side and see how far I can record it. So I'm going to stand over here. I'm going to walk backward. And just listen to the audio, guys, and see how far it stays connected. I can still hear myself, so meaning hopefully it's still connected, but I'm quite far right now, guys. Really far. Okay, I'm gonna continue walking back here. I don't know if you guys could see me from the smartphone, the S9 Plus camera. I don't know if you guys could still hear me or see me, I mean. Oh, it looks like it's breaking here. Okay, let's go back. Looks like it was breaking back there. And the audio right now sounds clear at this distance. But again, we'll find out once I upload this on YouTube. So yeah, that's just a little quick test. If you are planning to go to this route or to this setup using the AirPods as your mic for your device with a gimbal. All right. Okay, let's upload this and see how everything turns out.